Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome Nexo to this grammar class about imperatives.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn imperatives.
First, I will show you the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the basic rules.
Examples:
We see clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct form. Nexo. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now, we start with the theory.
Great. I will listen carefully.
What an imperative is. An imperative is a sentence for an instruction, a command, or advice. Example: close the window. Example: listen to the teacher. Use the base verb. Use the base verb at the start of an imperative. Example: open your book. Example: drink water. Example: sit here. No subject. Imperatives usually do not use the subject you. Example: stand up. Example: come in. Negative imperatives. Use don't before the base verb to make a negative imperative. Example: don't run. Example: don't touch the glass. Example: don't be late. Polite imperatives. Add please to make an imperative more polite. Example: please wait here. Example: pass the salt, please. Good work with the theory. And now examples will make the rules clearer.
I like short examples.
Turn on the light. Turn off the phone. Read the sign. Write your name. Look at the board. Wash your hands. Don't eat in class. Don't open the box. Please close the door. Help your friend, please. Go to the door. Be quiet, please. Nice practice with examples. And now it is quiz time.
I am ready for the quiz.
Choose an option. Open. Open the door. Choose an option. Sit. Sit down. Choose an option. Don't shout. Don't shout. Choose an option. Please wait. Please wait here. Choose an option. Close. Close your book. Choose an option. Don't touch. Don't touch the screen. Choose an option. Listen. Listen carefully. Choose an option. Be. Be careful. Choose an option. Don't be. Don't be late. Choose an option. Put. Put the cup on the table. Choose an option. Please. Call your mother, please. Choose an option. Don't cross. Don't cross the street now. Good job. You completed this grammar class.
Thank you. See you in the next lesson.